Hello friends, today I will talk about something different. This year, as you know, 14th February was Valentine's Day as always. But after a couple of days, that is on the 16th of February, there was a festival which we call Basant Panchami. This is a very important festival for us in India. However, I realized that most people don't know much about this festival. So I thought, let me talk about it a little bit once in a while. Now, Basant Panchami is basically the worship of goddess Saraswati. Just as goddess Lakshmi is the consort of Lord Vishnu and goddess Parvati the consort of Lord Shiva, Saraswati Mata is the consort of Brahma. Saraswati ji is also called Ma Sharda or Vani, and she represents the goddess of knowledge, music and the aesthetic senses. Now, what people do in India is that they clean up their house, they make a special place of worship, they bring an idol of the goddess Saraswati, they place the idol, decorate that place, get new clothes for the idol, and they make special prasad offerings, and then they have a lot of people visiting, and there is bhajan, kirtan and celebrations. And the next day they take the idol and they immerse it in the water. This is the special day for Saraswati Mata Puja. There is something else about this. The day is supposed to be extremely auspicious for marriages. Normally in India, when a marriage has to be finalized or performed, people go to the Pandit and ask for a special auspicious time or a date. But in the case of Basant Panchami, people don't have to do this because the day is considered very auspicious for marriages. You can simply fix a marriage on Basant Panchami without consulting the Brahmins. This is a very big speciality of the day. When we were small, the day was also meant for the ear piercing of little girls. I remember there used to be a big party and the goldsmith would come home and all the little girls of the house had their ears pierced by that goldsmith with a golden wire. And of course, there was much jubilation and celebration. Nowadays, people only associate the festival with the yellow color. And people who celebrate Basant Panchami, they just remember that they have to dress up in the yellow color, which is a very, very important association for those who celebrate Basant Panchami. Friends, in this way, I will try to say some things about our culture, our traditions, our festivals. Most of you will know about it, but in case some don't, I would like them to know too. Thank you very much.